Box number 3 is audio. Here we have some different mixing devices from the older 19-inch and one in a flight case with big heavy power supplies, an audio patch panel of sorts with kinch for 19-inch, a very old PA loudspeaker which says radio distribution. It's with a very old loudspeaker in there. You have a boombox or a ghetto blaster with 2 cassette players and a CD player and a radio built in. We have some tape recorders. The oldest one is not going to be this Revox or this UR, which are all German brands, but this Telefunken, which is also German, it's the one from my dad, Werner van Liste, who used to record us, the kids. And my father is also was a blind person who used a lot of innovative technology, mainly sound, of course. Here's a sound patch panel with jacks and a semi-professional CD player with a 19-inch setup, and then of course cassette deck. This box is full of cassettes, and these are unopened cassettes for those that like to record sound on analog cassettes. Some more power supplies of the mixing tables, and then finally also a rack light and a cassette deck, CD player, and a double cassette deck, so you could copy from one cassette to the next. So that's roughly in a nutshell what's in here. There may be a little more by the time it gets closed, but this gives you a good idea of what's in box number 3.